Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your grade 4 English teacher beta. Write today's date beta and see we are doing block 17 formal opinion letter. Today we are going to write our classwork. Now in your classwork you need to take out your reader and write letter writing from your reader in your classwork. Take out your readers first. See beta, this is your reader. Page number 106 and 107 beta. Now in this third bit, read the letter and fill in the table. Children, this table we have did in our workbook. S1 we did children. Read this paragraph and write the purpose and audience. Okay. Only this third bit you complete here. Then come to next page. Page number 107. You can see here a letter writing. Now what is this letter writing? We will read now. See here. Priya Das. House number 345, 6th main cross, 6th main road, 6th cross, Sanstha Nagar, Bangalore. Pin number. Then see, to address. From address to address. Instead of Priya Das, you can write your name children. Okay. To Niranjan. To address children then. To Niranjan Kamath, maintenance supervisor of Green Park, Bangalore, 7th December 2013. If you want, you can change this year children here. Who is writing this letter? Priya is writing to Niranjan Kamath. Okay, what is he? He is maintenance supervisor itself of Green Park. So first let us write the heading here and I'll show you now. See beta, you can write heading like this. Write a formal letter to the maintenance supervisor of Green Park regarding the repair of swings and slides. Swings and slides. Slides. What you'll sit on? You'll slip down and you'll come. Swing is nothing but you'll call it as Uyala in Telugu. In Hindi you'll call it as Jula. No? Slides and swings. You can see this in many parks. Okay, children parks. From address to address, respected sir, I am writing to you because I think the children should not be allowed to play in the park till the swings and slides are repaired. The swings and slides have sharp edges which may scratch the children and hurt them. The loose ends of the swings may give way and fall when children swing on them. Also, since the park authorizes have not put a warning sign, many parents does not know about it. Can I request you to please make sure that the children are not allowed into the play area until the slides and swings are repaired. Yours sincerely, Priya Das. Children, instead of Priya Das, you can write your name, I said. From address to address, respected sir. Then at last, your name and signature. You should write this heading, but you should write like this neatly. Draw double margin, formal opinion letter. Write heading like this, underline it with color pencil. Then you continue your letter children. First you are going to write this letter in your classwork. Then second you are going to write this letter in your classwork. Plan and write a letter to the school principal about stopping the serving of junk food at meal time in school. Whose principal? You will write the letter. Our school principal. Who is our school principal now? Vishnuvardhan sir. So you should write here respected sir you should write here. Children, see here, while writing to a school principal, you'll write here respected sir. And what you'll write, children? What you'll write the matter in the middle? Stopping the serving of junk food at meal time in school. You should follow the same steps, children. Write this heading. Write from your address, then to address, then matter. How? I'll show you in one old book once. See, children. Write letter like this. From address means your address here, to address to the school principal, BRJC Parsi High School, Secunderabad. You can write the date here. Respected sir, I am writing to you because I think that children should not be served junk food during the meal time in school. Write like this, leave one line, otherwise continue. Junk food has bad fat in it and can make the students unhealthy. You can write your own matter, beta. Why junk food is not good for our health, children? Unhealthy. Also, it has high amount of sugar and salt, which are harmful for everyday eating. Finally, these food items do not have the important vitamins and minerals that are present in fruits and vegetables. About junk food, stop the junk food in giving at the meal time. You write here why it is harmful, what will happen if you eat junk food. Write here. Then you write here like this. I would like to request you to please make sure that the canteen does not serve unhealthy food. And you write here, thanking you, yours sincerely, and you write your name here. Okay, like this you write your letter. I am showing example, don't copy this. It is there in your reader. As it is, you should write. Topic you should change in the middle, children. Topic here, you are writing to repair the swings and slides. Here this topic, what you will write? Stop the serve of junk food at meal time. The topic you should write here, children. Same steps you should follow here. Hope you all understood. 2 letter writings you should write in your classwork. Write it neatly. That is formal letter. This is also formal letter and this is also a formal letter. Okay, write in your classwork. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hope you all understood how to write a letter writing. Thank you, beta.